This is the inside of 12 Dennis Gardens in Tregadillett. The property is a bungalow. It's a semi-detached bungalow with a nice big garden, and it's been refurbished throughout. It's got a lovely new kitchen, plenty of cupboard space, nice tiling for the splashback. There is a fridge freezer and an oven included in the price, and the extractor fan above as well. We've got a dining area this end which leads into the living room, and the living room also has a door out into the hall where we've just come from. There's storage heaters, they're all new. Back into the hall here, we've got the shower room, which is nice big shower tray, cupboards underneath the sink, and everywhere's tiled floor to ceiling. Double glazing in this property as well. There's 2 bedrooms, both doubles. So this is one of them. Show you the back garden there. I will do a separate video out the back as well. And then this is the other bedroom. Before the present owner owned this property, a small extension here was added.